Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitabugHandmaids.com, and thanks so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to finally announce the first feature of June Club Quitabug, which will spotlight the All Things Thanks stamp set. This is actually a carryover stamp set from the last annual catalog. I chose this stamp set because I'm waiting on all of my new goodies to arrive from the new catalog. They should be here early next week, but I do have all of my in colors, the new 2018, 2020 in colors, so this is also going to be an in color kit, so I'm really excited about that. I think you guys are going to really enjoy the projects. So let's go ahead and take a look at the free kit, and also I have some updates about Club Quitabug and some important dates about this free card kit. So let's take a look. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, there has been an update to Club Quitabug. So I don't know if you've noticed, but in the new 2018-19 annual catalog, there were some price increases in paper products, such as cardstock, designer series paper, and some other paper products, and a few additional items in the catalog. So in order for me to continue to be able to provide at least 3 projects each Club Quitabug free card kit, I did have to adjust the ordering minimum for Club Quitabug. So instead of $35, it will now be $40. So my main goals for Club Quitabug are to always maintain the affordability of being a Club Quitabug member, and also the quality of the projects that I provide to you guys. That's really important to me, and I feel like this price point still meets those needs. If I didn't change the price point, I was going to have to reduce the number of projects, and I really didn't want to do that. I love offering 3 projects each kit. That's really important to me, so I wanted to maintain that. So the ordering minimum is now $40. Everything else is still the same. You'll still want to make sure that you use the coordinating host code, so that is $40 before tax and shipping. And like I said, we are featuring for this first project kit the All Things Thanks stamp set. I really love this stamp set. I'm excited about it. I wanted to use it when the other catalog was live, and I just never had the chance. So I'm excited to use that. And like I mentioned, we're going to use the new 2018-2020 in colors: Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Lovely Lipstick, Call Me Clover, Blueberry Bushel. And these are in the new redesigned ink pads, so excited about that. And then the projects in this kit also showcase the coordinating designer series paper in the new in colors. I love this paper, so you will get an assortment of the different prints and patterns in here. So fun. I love the 6x6 paper. And you'll also get to experience the in color ribbon. So this ribbon is Grow Grain ribbon. So you've got it in all of the new in colors. Really fun to work with. I love the really narrow size to this ribbon because you can tie beautiful bows with it. It's very, very easy to work with. So I love that about this ribbon. So in this free project kit, there are actually 5 cards, since we're making a card for each of the new in colors. And I love the simplicity, the cleanness, and using so much white really helped the new in colors pop. You can just really get a great picture of, or a great look at the new colors. I love it. So here's the first card, Thanks for Everything. So Grapefruit Grove. Then you've got Thanks for that thing you did. I love that sentiment in the Pineapple Punch. And You Are Amazing in the Lovely Lipstick. This color I really, really love. Thank You, You're the Best. This is in Call Me Clover. And then in Blueberry Bushel, Thanks for Joining Us. So I love how these cards turned out. I think they are just so much fun. And like I said, you can never have too many thank you cards. So I'm really excited about this kit, you guys, and just to showcase the new in colors. So much fun. So everything that you need will come in your project kit from me, along with a full color PDF that has all of the supplies and measurements, as well as a color picture of the completed projects. You've also got envelopes in here. So another thing to note about this free project kit, this kit is available until June the 18th, 2018. So all qualifying orders of $40 before tax and shipping using the hostess code that I've got right here on the screen, between June the 1st to June the 18th, 2018, you will qualify to receive this free project kit in the mail from me. Remember, if your order is $150 or more, don't use the host code because I want to make sure that you receive your Stampin' rewards for placing an order of that size. You will still receive the free project kit in the mail from me, but if your order is less than $150, please use that hostess code to receive your free project kit. And you can find links to my online store just below the video in the description notes and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is also linked in the video description. All right, so let's get into this kit, and we are actually going to start by stamping all of our die cut pieces of Whisper White. So I'm just going to get all of these out. Now you'll notice the die cut circle for the Grapefruit Grove card is a little bit bigger, and that's because that Thanks for Everything sentiment is much larger. So I did do a larger die cut circle for that one. All right, so I'm going to bring in my Grapefruit Grove ink pad. So remember, with the new ink pads, you've got this little groove right here. You just want to lift right there, flip it back, and slide it into place. And I've got that Thanks for Everything. Now this stamp is going to go a little bit off the edge, that letter T, but that's okay. So I'm just going to center that up and stamp it right there. Perfect. Okay, and then in my Pineapple Punch, I'm going to stamp that Thanks for that thing you did. Just love that sentiment. It's fun. Put that right in the center. There we go. And then in Lovely Lipstick, we're going to stamp that You Are Amazing. Yes, you are. Let's put that in the center, right about there. Perfect. And then in Call Me Clover, we're gonna stamp the Thank You, You're the Best. So I'll stamp the Thank You first. Put that, oh, right there. Thank you. And right beneath that, You're the Best. Just like so. And don't you just love the stackability of these ink pads? I love that. And lastly, Blueberry Bushel. Ooh, that one opened nicely. And we're gonna do that Thanks for Joining Us. Now you can do whatever sentiments you want. These are the ones that I chose. It's up to you. Okay, thanks for joining us. I think I got that everywhere. Okay, so while those are drying, I just wanted to show you my Simply Chamois. So this is a new tool in the annual catalog. So this is a stamp cleaning tool. I love this. So you've got the little chamois pad here, and you want to keep this wet, and that's how you're going to clean your stamps. So I've got the chamois in one of our clear stamp cases. You can get these in a 4-pack in my online store, and I just keep some water in one of our Stampin' spritzers. I just spray that water in the center when I'm ready to use my chamois, and I clean my stamps. So I'll spray this off to the side because I don't want to spray on my stamped pieces here. Okay, so I've just sprayed that, added a little bit of water, and now I can come in and just clean these stamps. It's so easy to use this thing. I just love it. And stamps clean. All right, so now I've got my adhesive here, and I'm just going to start adhering my designer paper pieces to the coordinating cardstock. You could mix and match these if you want. It's up to you. So I'm just gonna adhere these down, and all of the measurements will be on the PDF that you receive in your free project kit. All right, we're gonna make these 5 cards in a flash. So I've already got all of these pieces added on to the card stock, and now I'm going to add these onto the Whisper White Thick card base. So this is just a standard size card base, and the card base will actually come scored for you. Since this is such thick cardstock, you really wanna score it well, so I've already scored it for you at 4 1/4. Okay, so I'll just get these added on. All right, so I've got all of those added on to my card bases. So now I'm going to take the reverse side. You've got a little piece with the reverse side of that designer paper, and I'm just gonna add it on sort of like that onto the right hand side of my layers. Just center it up. Oh, right about there, looks good. Give that a press. All right, so I've got those all added down. So now I'm gonna go ahead, bring in some dimensionals here, and I'm just gonna add dimensionals to the back of each of my sentiments. All right, so I've got my dimensionals added onto the back of all of these. So now we can start adhering these down to their corresponding card. Just center it up on that second piece of designer series paper, just like that. All right, so I've got all of those added down, all of my sentiments on there. So I'm just gonna give all of these a nice crease with my bone folder. All right, so I've got those all nice and creased. Aren't these so fun? I love these. Okay, so then in your kit, you've got your ribbon for each of your coordinating colors. So you just want to take this is 8 inches of ribbon, and you just want to tie this in a simple bow, just like that. This ties beautifully, so easy to work with. Just gonna pull it until I get my loops how I want them. Whoops. Okay, just like that. Okay, super easy bow. Then bring in my glue dots and pick up that glue dot on the back of my bow, and then I'm just gonna place it right there on the outer edge of that circle, that die cut circle, and just adhere it right there. Isn't that so cute? I love that. Trim down the ends with my scissors, and there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all 5 of these cards. All right, so I have finished up all 5 of my cards and bows. Aren't these just so much fun? I love them. So there are the 5 finished cards. What do you think? I hope you guys love this kit. All right, so there we go. I hope that you have enjoyed this first feature of June Club Quitabug. Remember, all you have to do to get your free card kit in the mail from me is simply place a minimum $40 order. That's $40 before tax and shipping. Make sure that you use the hostess code that I've got right here on the screen. Place that order in my online store using that hostess code and you will receive this free card kit in the mail from me. Just don't use that code if your order is $150 or more. Don't worry, you'll still qualify for the kit. So thanks again. I hope that you guys have enjoyed, and I will be back soon with another video tutorial for you. Bye now.